healthcare doesn't need, it does not need more forms, more bureaucracy, more brokenness, more rules that make no sense. It doesn't need more denials, and it doesn't need more prior authorizations. What healthcare really needs is to back off the bureaucracy and let the humans inside the healthcare system express humanity. People went into the medical professions because they genuinely care about and want the best for people. The people inside the system aren't the problem. The brokenness and the lack of humanity and the bureaucracy and the forms and everything else that's focused on the profit margin, that's what's broken. If you are stuck somewhere in the healthcare system and you have no clue what to do, whether it's not knowing your best foot forward, not knowing how to move forward out of a crisis, not knowing what your benefits might cover, or just a bill or an insurance issue, we turn healthcare chaos into calm. Reach out to us over at Healthcare Survival Kit. Go ahead and sign up today for your free 30-minute consult.